How you doing? Chef Saon Brice here at Black Swan Restaurant, Baltimore, Maryland. Today we had a delivery come in. Very excited. The first time we had a chance to use the better fish Barramundi. Amazing fish, sustainable, something that you can feel comfortable consuming, knowing where your product is coming from. We use a lot of seafood here at Black Swan. I get this fish 16 to 24 ounce fillets. Very easy to deal with, very minimal waste that you have. A beautiful fillet, very meaty fish, no pin bones. Also, the versatility of the fish is amazing. You can grill it, sashimi, you can roast it, you can pan sear it. You can do a lot of things with the fish. Just a touch of sea salt, a little cracked black pepper, it'll do amazing for you. So first we put down the white carrot mousseline. Second, we have the wasabi flapjack that we place down, similar to a crepe. And then comes the better fish Barramundi. Then we have pickled radishes. We have the passion fruit salt, the wasabi beurre blanc. Then we garnish it with some pea shoots. Today we had an amazing time working with the better fish Barramundi. Please come into Black Swan and check us out. That was really good.